Octopuses do not look intelligent. They have no bones, no expressions, no familiar face. And yet, when humans encounter an octopus, something feels unsettling. It watches. It reacts. It seems to understand. Octopuses are not just smart animals. They are intelligent in a way that feels alien. To understand why octopuses became so intelligent, we need to understand how different their path was from every other intelligent creature on Earth. Octopuses did not evolve intelligence like mammals. They did not evolve it like birds. They evolved it alone. More than 500 million years ago, the ancestors of octopuses split away from the evolutionary line that would later produce fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. That means octopus intelligence evolved independently from ours. Two separate experiments. Two completely different solutions. This alone makes octopus intelligence extraordinary. But intelligence does not evolve without pressure. Octopuses live in one of the most dangerous environments on Earth. The open ocean offers almost no shelter. No trees. No burrows. No permanent hiding places. Most animals survive by being fast, strong, armored, or poisonous. Octopuses are none of these. They have no shell, no claws, no venom strong enough to deter most predators, and they are relatively slow. By all logic, octopuses should not exist. But evolution found another solution. Instead of defense, octopuses evolved problem-solving. Instead of armor, they evolved awareness. Octopuses can change color, texture, and shape in milliseconds. They blend into rocks, sand, coral, and shadows. But camouflage alone is not enough. Predators learn. Patterns are recognized. Mistakes become fatal. So octopuses needed something more. They needed intelligence. An octopus brain is unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. About 2/3 of its neurons are not in its head. They are in its arms. Each arm can process information independently. Each arm can explore, manipulate, and react on its own. An octopus does not think like a single mind. It thinks like a network. This allows it to solve problems faster and more creatively than many vertebrates. Octopuses can open jars, unscrew lids, navigate mazes, use tools. Some octopuses collect coconut shells and carry them across the ocean floor to use as shelters later. This is not instinct. This is planning. They remember solutions. They learn from mistakes. They adapt. But intelligence has a cost. Octopuses live short lives. Most species live only 1 to 3 years. They grow fast, learn fast, and die young. This creates a strange evolutionary pressure. Octopuses cannot rely on inherited knowledge. There is no long childhood. No parents teaching survival skills. Each octopus must figure out the world on its own. This favors flexible intelligence over rigid instinct. Instead of being born with all the answers, octopuses are born with the ability to find answers. This is rare in nature. Another reason octopus intelligence evolved is isolation. Octopuses are mostly solitary. They do not live in groups. They do not cooperate. Social animals often evolve intelligence to navigate relationships. Octopuses evolved intelligence to survive alone. No help. No backup. Every decision matters. Hiding in the wrong place. Choosing the wrong escape route. Failing to recognize danger. One mistake ends everything. Intelligence became the ultimate survival tool. Octopuses also experience the world differently. They taste with their suckers. They sense chemical signals in the water. They feel texture, pressure, and movement constantly. Their arms explore the environment before their eyes do. This creates a rich sensory experience that feeds directly into decision-making. The octopus does not react after something happens. It predicts. This predictive ability is one of the core features of intelligence. But perhaps the most fascinating part is personality. Octopuses show individual behavior. Some are curious. Some are aggressive. Some are shy. They recognize humans. They respond differently to different people. This suggests not just intelligence, but awareness. And yet, octopus intelligence is fragile. Because of their short lifespan, most of what an octopus learns disappears when it dies. There is no cultural transmission, no accumulated knowledge. Every generation starts almost from zero. This makes octopus intelligence even more remarkable. Evolution chose to repeatedly build intelligence from scratch rather than preserve it. Why? Because in a world as unpredictable as the ocean, flexibility beats tradition. Octopuses are not bound by fixed behaviors. They improvise. They escape through tiny gaps. They mimic other animals. They fake their own shape. Some octopuses even imitate sea snakes or lionfish to scare predators away. This is deception. Deception requires understanding how others perceive you. That is a high level of cognition. Octopus intelligence also challenges how we define intelligence itself. We often measure intelligence by similarity to humans. Language, social structures, tool use. Octopuses fail many of these tests. And yet, they succeed in ways humans never could. They control 8 limbs independently. They solve problems without hands. They think without a centralized brain. This suggests that intelligence is not one thing. It is a strategy. Octopuses represent a version of intelligence built for chaos, fast learning, rapid adaptation, creative escape, not civilization, not domination, just survival. And that may be why octopus intelligence feels so unsettling. It reminds us that intelligence does not need to look like us. It can evolve in darkness, in silence, in solitude. Octopuses are not failed vertebrates. They are successful outsiders. Nature did not make them intelligent by accident. It made them intelligent because intelligence was the only way they could survive. And when you realize that, the octopus stops being a strange animal. It becomes a message. Intelligence is not about superiority. It is about adaptation. And sometimes, the smartest minds on Earth are the ones that evolved farthest from us.